What is better for gaining market share, lower price or higher ad spend? Ooh, now we got a topic. Here's a good question. Noah, why don't you take it away on this one?
So I think this is going to depend largely on your category and also where you're already sitting compared to your competitors. Lowering your price is always good if you are not already the lowest you can be. If you have some wiggle room at the end of the day, I'm going to suggest that you push forward things like promotions, coupons, etc., any deals you can. So if you have a lot of competitors in the market right now who are lower priced than you, look at lowering your price. It will help you a lot in the long run. Higher ad spend. Higher ad spend makes sense if you are already in a position where you can spend more. If you have good ACoS, you are already getting good impressions, good clicks, higher ad spend is going to be a really good move for you. I personally wouldn't say there's really one I would choose over the other. I would try and go for both if you can, but I'm always going to push for higher ad spend. That's going to be the place that you're probably going to get more bang for your buck than the actual lowering of price.
Zulay Kitchen has a really good case study on this. I did a 20-minute video last month where I kind of broke down how they did it, and they did both. However, if you look at their case study in detail and you talk to Aaron, the owner, it's low price that had the biggest impact. And so they took, I think it was like $600,000 in losses before they turned a profit, and then have made millions of dollars since. So that's what I would focus on, is probably price over higher ad spend. So if you're normally going to try and sell an item for $20, if you can get it down to $15, that $5 in difference will increase your conversion rate so much that your traffic will also increase. And this is the thing, this is the conundrum, the paradox that a lot of people still don't understand when they're new Amazon sellers. You need sales to get sales, right? That philosophical statement there is a conundrum. It's a paradox. Well, it's a chicken or an egg question. How do I get sales? Well, if you don't get sales, you can't get more of them. And so typically a low price will help you more so than anything else. And if you have a high price and you spend lots of ads, but it doesn't convert, that doesn't do you any good. So without a doubt, I'd give the edge here 60-40, 60% to lower price, 40% to higher ad spend. And that adjective higher, the qualifier higher, is the keyword on why I give the split the way I do. So low price, glory to dog, 100% on that question.